we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and we're going to give this thing for a spin. I did the unboxing already, now we're going to do a review. This is the first time I'm using it. I was going to get different blades and do a review, but I'm kind of poor, so I can't be spending money on these blades. I know, you know, they're like, the ones that I want to review are like $30, and like I said, I don't have a business. COVID like ruined my life and my business. So since that happened, it's just been difficult, and my back. So anyway, all those things kind of happened together and caused the sandwich effect of my life turning into a pile of doo-doo. So anyway, so we are here and we're going to cut this. So I already made a line of where I need to cut it, which is 36.5 inches. I already aligned where I'm going to cut this, because this is going to be for my fish tank stand. I don't know if you saw my other projects, whatever. If you saw my other videos, I'm working on my fish tank, and I got to make a stand to lift it up so we could see it through the laundry room, or you know, whatever the case may be. So anyway, I made this thing right here. So we're gonna this easily, if you saw, this drops right in very easily, right like this, and then I can tighten this. Now I tighten that, so this will stay put, and now I can cut this and not worry about it flipping and flopping around, because I do not have support on the left side. I just, you know, put it on the thing over there. So we're gonna cut this. This is just a simple 6-inch 2x6, very, you know, simple wood, not too much of a pain in the ass to cut. Let's give this thing a cut. I've never used this before. Make sure you have your safety goggles on. I got some gloves. I'm sweating because it's like 92 degrees out here, and the humidity is crazy, and no one's happy, and we're kicking some butt. All right, so this is set on 0. Let's do this. How I do things, I always start the equipment before I enter the product. Flip the button. Let's see how easy it is. Let's go. Now, I have never used that before, so what I'm thinking is you're supposed to start it, pull it out, and then go into the material. If you notice though, it did cut it very easily, so that's pretty cool. I mean, it is kind of cool compared to what I had that was compared to what I had that was old. I can secure the product so I don't got to worry about it jumping around. It is a lot safer. I mean, you know, at least the stuff back in the day made me more conscious, you know. This stuff, I feel it dumbs people down, because they're like, oh, now I can be careless, and then you're careless out in the world and stuff happens. But, you know, it doesn't matter. That's just my opinion. We're going to use what they include on it for now. Yeah, that was much easier going into the product, okay? So I'm learning. It's cool. So we're gonna lock that in like we did. Wow, it's hot out here. I'm sweating. So we're gonna lock that in like we did, and let's do the same thing. See how easy it is. All right, I have to say that was pretty easy to cut. I mean, you're taking a review from a person that went from you know, that old ass Makita. So I mean, what do you want me to tell you? I don't do these for a living. But unless you own you know, unless you own a commercial business or something that deals with this kind of stuff, you're not going to have like 3 or 4 of these to choose from anyway. So you're most likely just going to choose whatever's going to be a decent price and whatever's going to get you, you know, at your house. And you know, that's about it. That's pretty much what this is aimed for. All right, so that's it for a little bit of a testing. That's an update, I guess. I just wanted to show you how it ran, how it cut through this wood, how easy it was for a newbie like me to cut it, and it was awesome. So that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on a test, on a run, on cutting only a couple pieces of wood. I know, but at least it wasn't just 2x4, it was a little bit bigger. If you have any questions or comments about it, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures, as I always try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy, be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye. Enjoy the rest of whatever day this is for you. All right.